This is a 2008 Ducati 1098R, the knife's edge most extreme version of a thing that you can get. So this is probably not a good beginner's bike. In many ways, this is a very uncompromising motorcycle. This is not an off-road bike in any way. We are not taking this on any kind of trail, dirt or otherwise. This is a street-only motorcycle. In pursuit of the most performance, there's no room for an additional passenger. There's nowhere to put any kind of bag, storage. Something like this with the bent-over riding position, the more aggressive riding position, is going to be naturally more difficult around town and with lower speeds. All of the components on this vehicle are designed to work at an extreme level. Everything is exacting, from the suspension being stiffer, gearing being more aggressive, and shifting being more aggressive, a more difficult to use clutch. Braking on this particular bike is insane. We have a ton of braking power, but also that can be a problem if you don't know how to use that kind of thing. Currently, I'm riding this 1988 Kawasaki Ninja 250, but earlier this year I sold my 2017 Ducati Scrambler Desert Sled on Cycle Trader. And I've ridden some crazy motorcycles over my years, nothing that is this crazy.
Pretty rapid. Probably only half throttle or something like that, but just an incredible motor. Wow. Ducatis are notoriously hot in the seat. Literally create heat underneath you because most Ducati's engine layout puts one of the exhaust ports right under your seat, basically. So good in the winter, but when it's warm out, you notice it. Even going down the street here at 45 or so, I feel it. I mean, if we talk about why people own these things, this thing is just gorgeous, right? One of the most beautiful motorcycle sport bikes that you can buy is a Ducati, and people look at you when you're riding around on a bright red, really loud motorcycle. It's call attention to yourself, for better or for worse. This thing revs out well above 10,000 RPM. This is 4,000 RPM at about 40 miles an hour. It still is pretty loud. It feels like it's got all the power to give. And some bikes have different personalities. You know, a TW is a friendly dog or something, or this is like, you know, having a shark for a best friend. Yeah, getting off something like that is, it definitely wakes you up. People talk about it being motorcycling being a escape for mental health and that kind of thing. I get that, because when you're trying to ride this, you're not thinking about the rest of the stuff in your life most of the time. So for that kind of an experience, really a crazy and insane piece of machinery. The motorcycling community is generally very welcoming. Go find your local community, go find your friends or family that have motorcycles and ask them how they got into it. I'm sure they will be happy to talk to you about it.